Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make your Windows 11 run faster and to speed up your laptop's performance in the following ways and procedures that I'm going to share to you. So let's go quick into the process. Click on the start button and go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on this one. You have to click on system, and then simply scroll down and you'll find storage space, drives, configuration rules. Click on that. Now these are all the contents of your Windows C drive. These are all the categories that consume space on your Windows C drive. So let's wait for this to load. So here you'll find under storage management, storage sense, automatically free up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. If this is disabled on your Windows, just simply enable or switch the button on. And then under it, you'll find cleanup recommendations. Click on that. Then here you'll find see advanced options. Click on that. So these are all the temporary files on your machine. So just simply temporary files, check that. DirectX shader cache, check that. Delivery optimization files, check that. Temporary internet files, check that. Windows error reports and feedback diagnostics, check that. Microsoft Defender antivirus, check that. Thumbnails, check that. Windows update cleanup, check that. Recycle bin, if there are items in your recycle bin that you are no longer going to use, then simply check that. But for downloads, I'm not just going to check this because I have important files on my downloads. And finally, click on remove files. Click on continue. So let's just wait for this. So once this is done, what you can do is you just need to simply close this window. The next method is in the Windows search bar. Type here services, best match services. Click on that. Now here in the services window, we need to scroll down to letter S and look for the sysmain service. Now if you find the sysmain, make a right click, select properties, startup type, make sure this is disabled. So if this is automatic or manual on your case, just simply change that to disabled. Click on stop, apply, and then OK. Then go ahead in the Windows search bar and type task manager, best match. Click on that. Maximize this. Now here in the Task Manager window, in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on Startup Apps. Change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup apps enabled on your Windows. So what you're going to do here is you need to disable all the unnecessary and unused startup applications. So what you can do is simply make a right click and then select disable. You have to do this for all the unnecessary startup applications that should not come along with your Windows. So once done, close this. Then go ahead and click on the start button, go to settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on apps, installed apps. So if you have installed applications for the past year, past month, past week, or past days that you're no longer using as of the day or as of the present, then just simply uninstall that because that will just consume some space on your Windows. So let's say for example, I'm not going to use the folder marker free. So I'm just going to click on these three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall it once again. Click on yes. Click on OK. Now let's close this. Also for the chat GPT, I'm not going to use this. So click on these three dots, select uninstall, and then uninstall once again. So you just have to simply click on the three dots that corresponds to the application that you're going to uninstall, and then choose the uninstall option. Now once done, close this window, and then you have to make a right click at the start button, select run. The run window will appear. Type here temp. It's temp or temp. Click on OK. Then you have to simply delete all of the files right here. So I have just recently deleted the temporary files on my Windows. So in your case, you might have a lot of this. So simply click on one file and then press Ctrl+A on keyboard to select all the items, and then hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box, do this for all current items, and click on skip. Check it again. Now, not all of these files will be deleted because these are used by some programs of your Windows, and that is totally fine. Then again, make a right click at the start button, select run. Then type here %temp%. Click on OK. The same thing, you have to click on one file and then press Ctrl+A on keyboard to select all the items, and then hit the delete bin at the top. Check this box, do this for all current items, and click on skip. And not all of these files will be deleted, and that is totally fine. Then again, you make a right click at the start button, select run. This time you need to type prefetch. Click on OK. Then delete everything right here. Ctrl+A on keyboard. Hit the delete bin at the top. Now once done, close this, and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and then make a restart of your Windows. So that's it. Once you have restarted your Windows, and you will see that your Windows is running faster this time. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.